Hey kiddos, we are working on Envision grade 5, topic 1, lesson 3 today, and the numbers are in the thousandths place. The essential question for this lesson is how are fractions related to decimals? The directions for the first one says write each decimal as either a fraction or a mixed number. And this first one is in the 7 thousandths place, 7, and then that fraction will be 7 thousandths. All right, number 2, the next number is 52 thousandths. So 52, the fraction was written 52 thousandths. Number 3, 38 thousandths. 38 thousandths. My pen's going out. Let me get a different pen. Number 4, 259 thousandths. So it's written like this. Thousandths. All right, number 5 and 6 are both mixed numbers. So this is written as 3 wholes and 20 thousandths. Remember that last number there, that's your thousandths place. Number 6, 4 wholes and 926 thousandths. 7 through 12 says write each fraction as a decimal. So we're going to put this number here in the thousandths place. So it's written as this, and that last number is 3. That's where it needs to go in the thousandths place. So read it, 73 thousandths. All right, the next one is 593 thousandths. So it's written like this. Making sure that 3 is in the thousandths place, that last number, thousandths place. All right. Next one, 854 thousandths, 854 thousandths, 11 thousandths, and this one's like this one. This one's like 7. 10 and 7 are kind of similar. Got to put a 0 in the tenths place. 11 thousandths in the thousandths place. Number 11, make sure that 5 is in the thousandths place. 5 thousandths. And number 12, 996 thousandths. 996 thousandths. Now, when you get down to 13 and 14, they're wanting you to place these in order from least to greatest. And the problem with these is these are fractions, and this is decimal number. So what I need to do is convert these all to either decimals or all to fractions, so we have a good number to compare it to. What I would suggest is you just take this decimal number and convert it to a fraction so you're able to compare the rest. So take the 3. It's in the thousandths place. Okay? So you've got, it says least to greatest. So which one is your lowest number here? Your lowest number is the 3 thousandths. So you got 3, 5, and 9. Your lowest is your 3 thousandths. Now, I'm not going to put 3 thousandths written, but I am going to write it like this. But we do know this and this are the same. So I'm going to write it like that. Okay. And my next lowest number is my 5, of course. 5 thousandths. And the next one is 9 thousandths. All right. Now, when we're looking at 14, you also have these as decimals, and this is a fraction. So whichever one you prefer to convert it, I'm going to convert actually this fraction as a decimal. So I'm able, I can just compare. I can just do this. Let's just do this. Make those all fractions so they all come the same. All right. So looking at these numbers, which one's the lowest one? So you've got 0, you've got 8, and then there, of course, there would be a 0 in front of that if we had it as a decimal. But the lowest one you have is going to be this 21. So it's 21 thousandths. Then your next one is going to be 99. And, of course, this is your 845 thousandths. All right. So that's the least to greatest there. Look at the model at the right. Write a fraction in a decimal that the model represents. So this cube here is out of 1,000. Push it up a little bit. It's out of 1,000. So the fractional number will be 1,000. And how many do we have highlighted? So we have 10, 11 highlighted. So 11 thousandths highlighted. To write that as a fraction, it will be written as 11 thousandths. Number 16. In Tasha's school, 600 thousandths of the students participate in a school sport. If there are 1,000 students in Tasha's school, how many participate in school sport? So, the answer for this one will be 600 of them participate in a school sport.